Hi, this is Jimmy from The Productive Engineer, and today we're going to be covering how to import an Excel spreadsheet into Notion. So stay tuned. Notion is an amazing application that allows you to import pretty much any file type into it. And today we're going to be doing this with an Excel file. Now, before we get started, if you like this video, please click the like button as it really helps me out. If you're interested in learning when I release new videos, please click the subscribe button. Now let's get started. As you can see, I have my personal projects page in Notion open. I actually already created a subpage for my Excel import, which I will click. When I do that, you'll see a bunch of options here. And one of them, if you see right here, is the import option. You can also alternately import it from the side panel here as well, but we're going to use the one that's in the note itself. So I'll click import, and I'm going to be presented with a pop-up menu that has several different options here. Evernote, there's a couple other productivity apps like Trello, Asana, Workflowy, as well as Microsoft Word and Google Docs, but we're actually going to use the CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values, and we're going to click that there. And you'll see my test.excel file here. Um, you'll notice that the extension here is an Excel extension, and we clicked on CSV, but don't worry about it, it'll still import. So you click on that and click open, and as you can see here, my Excel file got imported. I'll quickly open my Excel file here just so you can see what it looks like in Excel. Here I have my, sort of my 3-column table. And when I move that away, you can see that it created a Notion table inside of Notion rather than just importing like a view of the Excel spreadsheet. Now, if you do a embed of a Google Sheet, and I actually have a video that I'll link in to this video on how to do that, um, you'll notice that in that scenario, you'll typically see a web representation of the actual spreadsheet. Whereas when you import, it does slightly different. It actually takes that CSV file, or in this case, the Excel file, and actually makes a Notion table out of it, which means that the way you interact with it is obviously going to be different. Now, Notion tables, while not quite as powerful as an Excel spreadsheet, it does have several properties and abilities to do some manipulation. It actually functions essentially as a database, so you can actually mess around with it. You can actually create multiple views of it, which can become really powerful. Obviously, you may not see it in this case. I chose a very simple use case, but as you build your tables out, and you have your Excel files, you bring them in. Once they're in there and they become tables within Notion, they have all the power that a traditional Notion table has. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. And again, if you liked it, please click that like button. And if you want to see more videos of me going do these demos, please, if I can learn how to speak, please click that subscribe button. Thank you.